Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC document series, today we will cover method statement for flooring and tiling. In our previous videos, we have already covered method statements from excavation to painting. Today we will cover flooring and tiling. Let's start.
Why flooring and tiling is important. Flooring and tiling are critical because they provide final functional and aesthetic finish. They protect structural surfaces. They affect durability and maintenance. Poor flooring causes cracks, debonding, and uneven levels. That's why flooring and tiling works must be properly planned and controlled. What is a method statement? A method statement is a written document that explains how a construction activity will be carried out, sequence of work, safety and quality controls, responsibilities of personnel. It ensures controlled and safe execution of work. What is flooring and tiling? Flooring and tiling is the process of installing ceramic, porcelain tiles, marble, granite, vinyl, other specified finishes on floors and walls to achieve durable and level surfaces. What is method statement for flooring and tiling? Method statement for flooring and tiling describes surface preparation method, tile type and fixing material, installation procedure, quality control measures, safety requirements. It ensures accurate and long-lasting finishes. Objective of flooring and tiling method statement. Main objectives are achieve proper level and alignment, ensure strong bonding, maintain uniform joint spacing, prevent cracks and hollow sounds, meet project specifications. Scope of work. This method statement applies to floor tiling works, wall tiling works, wet area tiling, staircase and skirting tiling at all project locations. Reference documents. Flooring and tiling work shall comply with approved architectural drawings, manufacturer technical data sheets, project specifications, project quality plan, PQP, ITP for flooring and tiling works, relevant codes and standards. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall coordination, site engineer, execution and supervision, QA/QC engineer, inspection and compliance, safety officer, safety monitoring, flooring tiling supervisor, work control. Materials. Materials include ceramic porcelain tiles, marble, granite if applicable, tile adhesive mortar, grout, spacers and leveling clips. All materials must be approved, free from defects, stored as per manufacturer recommendations. Plant and equipment. Typical equipment used: tile cutter, mixing tools, trowels and floats, spirit level and straight edge, rubber mallet. All equipment shall be inspected, clean, safe to use. Storage of flooring and tiling materials. Materials shall be stored in dry covered areas, tiles stacked properly, adhesives protected from moisture. Before tiling, ensure surfaces clean and dry, levels checked and corrected, waterproofing completed, if applicable, reference lines marked. Good preparation ensures proper bonding. Tile adhesive/mortar preparation. Adhesive or mortar preparation shall be as per manufacturer instructions, mixed uniformly, used within specified open time. Incorrect mixing reduces bond strength. Tile installation procedure. Tiling work shall be carried out as follows: adhesive applied evenly, tiles laid as per approved pattern, spacers used for uniform joints, levels and alignment checked continuously. Grouting works. Grouting shall be done after tile setting using approved grout, joints filled completely, excess grout cleaned properly. Curing and protection. Ensure adequate curing time, no traffic during curing, finished surfaces protected. Inspection. During flooring and tiling. During work, ensure correct alignment and level, proper joint spacing, no hollow sound, clean finish. Safety measures. Safety controls include use of PPE, safe handling of tiles, proper housekeeping, safe use of cutting tools. Quality control measures. Quality checks include material approval, surface preparation inspection, level and alignment checks, bond strength and hollowness check, QA/QC approval. Inspection and approval. Inspection includes internal QA/QC inspection, consultant client inspection, approval before handover. No work shall proceed without approval. Records maintained. Records include flooring and tiling inspection request, material approval documents, checklists, approval records. Common flooring and tiling defects. Common defects include hollow tiles, cracks, uneven levels, poor joint finish. Proper control prevents defects. ISO and QA/QC compliance. Flooring and tiling method statement supports ISO 9001 quality, ISO 40001 safety, project QA/QC requirements. Relation with other documents. This method statement is linked with method statement for waterproofing, method statement for plastering works, method statement for finishing works, ITP for flooring and tiling, NCR control procedure, CAPA. Conclusion. Method statement for flooring and tiling ensures accurate and durable finishes, quality compliance, reduced defects, safe and controlled execution. If this video helped you understand method statement for flooring and tiling clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA, QC documents, and construction method statements. Thank you.